Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here. Well, I got the 25-inch oak bowl done. And was a bit of a challenge. There's a lot of different grain changes. This sapwood over here, I think the log might have sat on the ground on this side long, and it is beginning to spalt. You can even see small areas of spalting. And the white color of it, let me see if I can turn it towards you. See the white coloring in the sapwood? That's almost like that color that you see in spalted wood. It's not the natural color of the wood. It's harder too. So every time that side came around, it cut different. But you can see the end grain, beautiful, nice and smooth. It's about 7/16 of an inch thick. The largest bowl to date on this machine, and it's partially because getting wood this big can be tricky. It's not because the machine can't handle it. It's not because I can't handle it. It's finding the wood. But it can handle up to 40 inches on this machine. We got a little friend in here. And so 25.5 inches wasn't even close to capacity. So that's about it for today. Just wanted to show you the bowl as it is now. I've got it sanded to about 150. I'm not sure if I went to 180 or not. I think it's about 150. And it's still wet. It's going to go back in a plastic bag overnight. If I have time tomorrow, I'll do some more sanding on it, put it back in the bag, and keep repeating that until it's fully sanded, ready to flip over, and then I'll probably end up having to hand carve. That's got to be a little careful here. Probably going to have to hand carve this tenon off, unless I'm fortunate enough to find a way to come up with a vacuum chuck before this project's over. I don't have a vacuum chuck. And even still with a vacuum chuck, I can't bring a tailstock up on it. So from a safety perspective, taking a hand plane, hand planing it all smooth, and then hand carving a design in the bottom would probably be the best. So that's about it, everybody. Listen, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you being here with me, and head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.